Hey there, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. We've got some exciting news to share with you today. We've just rolled out our latest blog post, and trust me, it's a game changer for your business. If you're all about boosting your online presence and attracting more customers, then you're in for a treat. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's dive right into it. Point 1. Adding a brand new listing to Apple Business Connect. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Ever wondered how to get your business shining on Apple Maps? Well, wonder no more. We've covered the nitty-gritty of adding a brand new listing to Apple Business Connect. This is your ticket to being spotted by potential customers right from their iPhones. We've got you covered with easy-to-follow steps and insider tips. Point 2. Claiming and verifying an existing listing. Now, let's talk about those of you who are already on the map, but might be missing out on some of the action. We'll walk you through the process of claiming and verifying your existing listing on Apple Business Connect. Trust us, this verification step is like a virtual handshake that boosts your business's credibility in the digital world. Point 3. Apple Business Connect for brands with multiple locations. Hey, big shots with multiple locations, this one's for you. We've cracked the code to help you efficiently manage all your branches using Apple Business Connect. It's like having your very own digital headquarters where you can oversee it all without breaking a sweat. Point 4. Adding a new brand to Apple Business Connect. Thinking of expanding your empire? Look no further. We're spilling the beans on how to add a new brand to Apple Business Connect. Get ready to streamline your online presence like a pro. Point 5. Adding users to the account. It's time to rally your team. We're showing you how to add more members to your Apple Business Connect account. Collaborate, delegate, and conquer the digital landscape together. Point 6. Optimizing your HVAC and appliance repair business listing. Now, here's where the magic really happens. We're diving deep into the art of optimization. From captivating descriptions to eye-catching images, we've got your back. It's all about making that listing shine and draw customers like a magnet. Point 7. In conclusion. And there you have it, folks. We're wrapping it all up with a bow in our conclusion. We're talking key takeaways, why this matters for your HVAC and appliance repair business, and how you can set yourself up for unprecedented growth. Before we wrap up, a massive thank you for tuning in today. If you're hungry for more knowledge and ready to supercharge your business, just follow the link in the description below to read the entire article on our blog. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow business owners, and hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep rocking those repairs and remember, your success is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.